Hey y'all, this is Jamie Deen. Welcome back to the Chicken Box. You know, Memorial Day is one of my favorite holidays of the summer. It means boats and floating and hot dogs and cold beers and coleslaw. So today, y'all, we're making a coleslaw. Now, this isn't the coleslaw that I make at the Chicken Box every day. The traditional Southern slaw that I make at the Chicken Box doesn't include most of these ingredients, but it's a big holiday weekend. Try something new. And plus, if mom says it's good, you know it is. So let's get into it. This is actually Renee's coleslaw. I don't know where she's from, but we're going to start with about a cup and a half. Well, let's see. We got about 5 cups of shredded cabbage here. You can buy this in the packs at the store if you'd like to make it easy, or it sure is easy to get you one head of cabbage at the grocery store. Cut it up. Make sure you save the outside green leaves, because this dark green speckled throughout your coleslaw is what makes it so good. Okay, and to this, we're going to add some almonds. That'll give us a really layer of buttery texture, and plus you get the texture. We've got some celery going in. We've got some spring onions. Now this is where me and mom really differ. I don't put any green peppers in any of my cold salads because they have such a big flavor. But I trust mom. Craisins are going in. Let's clean up our mess a little bit. Now for our dressing, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of sweet pickles. We're going to do a tablespoon of honey mustard. And we also are going to add a tablespoon of honey. All right. I don't question my mom very often, but there is no place on this recipe for salt and pepper. So we're going to see how it tastes and then adjust after. I've got the last ingredient here. We're going to go with a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. I might have missed that by a smidge. All right, now we'll put the twist on it. This is exactly what I've been doing for the last 3 hours. Clean bowl full of food, mixing, mixing, mixing. All the kids are getting out of school, and we are so busy down in Savannah during the summer. Y'all better get in the car and book your trip before we sell out. It has been really busy here. This is a beautiful slaw. I got to hand it to you, Mom. It looks a lot better than the one that I serve at the Chicken Box. Looks a lot better. Let's give it the old taste test. Beautiful. Mm-hmm. God damn it. That's good. Do I look surprised? I've been making my slaw one way for so long. This is delicious. I'm actually going to package this up and I'm going to sell it at the Chicken Box here today. So if you happen to be in Savannah today, which is not the day that you see this, come get your coleslaw, y'all. It was really good. I appreciate y'all coming and visiting with us. I'll see y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.